Welcome to Spicybase vlog.
Hey guys, it's summertime and this video was quite unexpected and sudden. Because if you see a lot of our previous videos, we usually post recipes. But since it's summertime, we had a short day trip which was quite sudden to Jubail in Dammam. We didn't have pretty much a lot to do there, but we did have a great time. And here are glimpses of what we did and where we went in there.
We had gone out on this trip on the second day of Eid al-Adha 2021. We travelled early in the morning at around 5 am. It was quite a trip, and when we made it to Jubail, it was approximately 10 am. We did reach Jubail there safe and sound. The weather was really summery and boiling. You could say we were pretty much ice creams melting there. There were a lot of greeneries, tall trees, bushes and grasses. Since this trip was of sudden nature, we had our breakfast and lunch in restaurants, and for a visit we headed to the Jubail Corniche. We then headed to Nakhil beach. It was quite a hot day, and I guess we changed our minds to looking forward to another beach, since hygienically we weren't convinced to spend our evening at Nakhil beach. The area was pretty clean and greeny, but you couldn't say the same about the show. However, we spent a while there enjoying Mother Nature. We had our lunch here, which was brought from the restaurant. In the meantime, I wish everybody a very happy Eid Mubarak. We had gone to this beach at 2 p.m. So pretty much there weren't a lot of people, but later on the crowd started coming in and it was quite nice. We then went to Fanatir beach, which is close by to the latter, and I guess this beach did pretty much make our minds, and we spent an entire evening there with lots of amazing people and quite crystal clear water.
Like always, the weather was really hot there. It was a sunny, hot day.
We had arrived here pretty much at 3 p.m. but when we went later on, we had like a lot of people coming. It was really nice. Considering the fact that we hadn't vlogged all these times, we had also included a few images in this vlog. This place as well, similar to Nakhil beach, was pretty much clean. It was sunset time, 6 o'clock, and the sunset was amazing and beautiful. The moon was up as always, and night passed by and we had a barbecue there. This video is pretty much coming to an end, and if you enjoyed, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe and turn on post notifications to be notified every time we post.